Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are going to be doing a choice board activity. So you click the activity. You are going to pick one of these activities to do. You can see they're kind of, it showed up when I made it, but they're kind of squared off here. You're going to pick one of these. So today we're doing a choice board activity, meaning that you get to choose what you want to do. Turn it from the list right here. Turn in your finished product into Canvas. If you choose to do a live performance, we'll be performing that at 8 a.m. on Tuesday via Zoom. So if your assignment is a live performance, please know that you need to be present during that Zoom to do it. Also, though, with any of the live performances, you're welcome to just record it and turn that in instead of live performing. It is whatever you decide to do. So today we're learning all about reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means to use less of. Reuse means to reuse what you've already got. And recycle means to process the thing so that it can be something else. It takes a little bit more processing. So when we're talking about environmental education and environmental impact, these 3R's are usually used interchangeably, and for the most part we think of recycle. But I'm here to tell you that reduce is actually the best way to help preserve the environment. By reducing what you use, you're taking it out of the equation just overall. If I had to pick the next best one for the environment, reuse is actually the next best one. So to repurpose something would be good, or just reuse it in general, like a reusable straw or reusable silverware, but even reusing old clothes, so shopping at thrift stores instead of buying clothes new, reusing things that maybe you're like hand-me-downs, or even using something like we use 2-liter bottles a lot. We reuse those to hold things here in science class. We reuse cups a lot, not for drinking, but just for experiments. Recycling is the last one, and it's the least effective because it takes a lot of energy to create it from something else. So recycling is when you take something and you modify it, typically like a plastic bottle or a can, and you reuse it again, but it's got to go through some processes and be reprinted and all that good stuff. So the best of our 3R's is actually reduce. But anyways, for this activity, you're going to pick one of the 9 activities listed here and turn it in. So you could create a 10-question quiz using your notes or vocabulary words for this lesson, 5 multiple choice, and 2 fill in the true or false, and 3 fill in the blank are your parameters. You could do that and turn it in. You could create a bumper sticker logo and a motto to promote conservation of water, soil, or air. Must be colorful and original. Must be a minimum of half of a sheet of copy paper. You could create a poster describing human impact on the Earth's surface and how people can prevent pollution. Must be colorful. Must be at least a fourth of the size of poster board, or 1 sheet of regular paper. Write a story about a soda can that starts out in the store and ends up in the landfill. Must have a beginning, body, and conclusion. Paragraph, grammar, and punctuation do count. A 1-page handwritten minimum. You may type this, but if I find that you have Googled it, you will get a 0 for this assignment, and I will call your parents. So do not copy. This must be original. Create a pamphlet promoting the 3R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle. How can they be used daily? How does it help Earth? And what does it help? How does it help human? Pictures and text required. Write a song or a poem about reduce, reuse, recycle. Must be completely your own work. Include the 3R's and how to use it in our lives. How it helps the Earth's surface and other positive outcomes. You can perform this live or pre-record it if you would like. Create a collage of the 3R's if you like. Pictures show people reducing, reusing, and recycling. Pictures may show human impacts on Earth due to not using resources wisely, and positive impacts of using them wisely. Must be a 8x11 paper. You could write a skit about a reduce, reuse, recycle. Must use at least 3 parts, characters. How can people use the 3R's in their daily life? How does it help Earth? How does it help humans? That is one option you could do. Or you could create a commercial to promote the 3R's. Students must perform live, commercial, or pre-recorded. So if you're live, you're coming at 8 a.m. on Tuesday to do it, or you can pre-record it. A written script must be provided, include the 3R's and how we use them in our lives and how it helps the Earth's surface and other positive outcomes. This would be a good activity to do with a partner. If you'd like to do it by yourself, you may do that as well. If you have any questions, please email me, but the moral of the story is you pick one of these chunks to do. So I would pick, perhaps write a story about a soda can. All right, guys, have a great day. If you have questions, email me. Again, if you plan on performing this live, whether you are live via Zoom or live in the classroom, you must be there at 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning. All right, have a great day.